Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about the best short haircuts for older women with fine hair in 2025. If your hair feels thin, flat or hard to style, don't worry. The right haircut can make it look fuller, healthier and much more youthful. One of the biggest benefits of short hairstyles is that they are low maintenance. They don't take hours to style. They feel light and fresh and they bring out your best features. That's why so many women over 50 and 60 are choosing short modern cuts. Let's start with the classic pixie cut. This is one of the best hairstyles for fine hair because it adds instant volume and texture. With soft layers, the pixie makes our hair look fuller while giving you a chic, confident look. Next, we have the short bob. A chin length or slightly shorter bob works beautifully on fine hair. You can wear it sleek and straight for an elegant style, or add gentle waves for a softer, more youthful vibe. Another great option is the layered cut. Layers are the secret to making fine hair look thicker. Even a few stubble layers can add movement and body, preventing your hair from looking flat. For those who want something modern, the pixie bob is a perfect blend of both styles. It has the lightness of a pixie with the little extra length like a bob, making it versatile and very trendy in 2025. Bangs also play an important role. Side swept bangs or wipsy bangs can frame the face, highlight the eyes, and make you look fresh and youthful. They work youthfully with both pixie and bobs. Texture is another big trend this year. Adding a slightly messy look makes fine hair appears fuller and livelier. A touch of mousy spray can make a huge difference without much effort. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.